Hello and welcome in today's video. Today I'm going to show you how I thrift flipped those men's trousers into a women's trousers. For this altering you will need a pair of scissors, some chalk, pins, ripper and a measuring tape. First thing we're going to do is to remove the waistline of the trousers. I just simply rip it off. And then I put it away and save it for later. Next, I measure the distance from crotch to the waistline of the trousers, and for me it matches perfectly. Then I measure the waistline of the trousers and subtract the measurement of half of my waist. Then I divide the solution by 3 as I have 3 stitches in this area, and this solution is the number you'll mark at all edges to make your pants narrow enough for you. Next, I measure and mark at both sides and at the back of the trousers. I follow the same steps for the hips area. When it comes to legs, I measure the width of them, subtract half of my thigh width and divide it by 2 since there are only 2 seams here. I mark it all the way to the bottom. Then I pinned down and sewed the back of the pants. I used the straight hem for connecting and zigzag hem for overlocking my cuttings. Remember to backstitch at the beginning and at the end of each leg. Next seams I do are the leg ones. The pants are almost done, but the last step is to adjust the waistband. At the button end, I mark a place where I need to cut it to match the width of my waist. I also removed the belt loops. Then I cut off the excessive lining so that I will be able to create a buttonhole at this end. I fold my fabric and make a buttonhole. Then I pin down the waistband starting by the zipper area and sew it all together. And this is the final result. I really like how those trousers give you this empowered woman look, and they are just so comfy and classy, perfect. I hope you liked this thrift flip, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!